TriDri is a brand that C2O support. It's an athleisure and sports brand. It comes in male, female and children's wear. It's very much led towards the sports element of the industry, albeit there is some athleisure products within the range. TriDri is for anyone that is attending or creating a sports event, anyone in the fitness industry or any sports teams. TriDri is a performance-based brand. All the products are designed for either attending the gym or away from the gym. The sports element of the range is designed to move the body, and the athleisure side of the product is to then comfort you when you're leaving the gym, albeit it's not too slim fitting, it's very relaxed fit. It comes in an array of performance t-shirts, base layers, sports bras and leggings, cropped t-shirts for the female, cropped hoodies. It comes in some jog pants for the men and hoodies for the men. There's also shorts for running in the range as well, and there is some jog pants. So tagless in TriDri means that TriDri isn't visible at the neckline. It does come with a self-coloured size tag. This enables us to overbrand the neck area with your own size label, or if you're just having an event, it's obviously for distribution purposes. There's so many garments that complement every product that ideally you wouldn't just be buying one piece of TriDri. For example, if you buy a sports bra, we'd expect you to buy a sports legging along with a athleisure crop top or a hoodie with some overpants. Same with the men's, buying a contrast t-shirt like this. You could buy some gym shorts or some running shorts, which all complement the look.